Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
Mukesh Kumar Meena has joined as new Director General of Goa Police. He is with us. Sir, first question is regarding the corona spread among the policemen. What you have learned as it is just first day yours, and what would be your suggestion?
I have been informed that there are some policemen who have been infected by this virus. We have discussed with senior officers as well as the ground officers, and we'll take measures, certainly we'll take measures against the spread of this virus in policemen. Those coming to police stations, we'll restrict entry to the police station, we'll have some arrangement outside, we'll have taken complaint online or in the box, and we'll certainly briefing our staff that they have to keep distance, and we are also analyzing how they got infected. Each and every case is being analyzed so that other staff will be briefed. They should not repeat such mistake, or they should keep away from them.
Sir, tourism is restarting here, so obviously tourists will come, and the same thing another means like prostitution or drugs or any related crime may rise. So what would be your preparation and instruction to the ground staff?
For tourists, we have got tourist police, we have got our whole policing, district police, as well as specialized units are also there, anti-narcotic cell is also there. So we have discussed this matter with senior officers, and we will certainly take action against like if anybody is involved in criminal activity, we will take action and will ensure the safety and security of tourists.
Mukesh Kumar Meena is saying that safety and security of tourists and locals will be his priority. Hence, he will study the whole demography and will discuss the issue with other senior officers. With Omkar Phulari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.